When companies decide to invest in data analytics, it often triggers a panicked scramble. Leadership rushes to acquire the newest software, obsessed with the longest feature lists. But a seasoned chief data officer approaches this differently. They start with the business problem, not the product brochure. The common mistake is treating enterprise analytics tools like a shopping list of instant fixes. Companies buy platforms expecting them to automatically solve organizational issues, only to find themselves paying for complicated interfaces their teams never use. The real challenge is precision. It requires evaluating your specific operations, like managing a local restaurant or optimizing a retail supply chain, and selecting the exact applications required to extract actionable value from your unique data. Software functions as the structural link between raw, unorganized spreadsheets on one side and the educated leadership decisions they eventually support on the other. Prioritizing specific business insights over flashy features prevents wasted IT budgets. It ensures the software is selected to solve a problem your team actually recognizes, rather than creating a new technical burden. To see how tool alignment works in practice, look at a U.S. casual dining restaurant. This environment acts as an excellent microlens for data strategy. On any given night, this restaurant generates two distinct types of raw information. There is numerical data, tracking hard metrics like daily sales volume, and categorical data, capturing qualitative insights like customer feedback on the menu. To capture the numerical side, the restaurant relies on a point of sale, or POS, system. Every time a server inputs an order, this tool tracks the transaction in real time, building a continuous ledger of revenue and dish popularity. For the categorical side, management uses digital survey platforms like SurveyMonkey or Google Forms to capture nuanced sentiment. This reveals why a customer loved the seasonal special, or why they sent the steak back. When selecting these specific tools, management must weigh strict criteria. For a fast-paced restaurant, the software requires a highly user-friendly interface for non-technical staff, combined with real-time processing, so managers can adjust operations mid-shift. Value emerges when these two data streams meet. Viewing sales metrics through customer sentiment lets leadership see the why behind the numbers. Managers can pinpoint items with stellar reviews and high volume, but priced too low, revealing a margin gap closed by informed pricing. Analytical success doesn't depend on the sheer size of the tech stack. It's a result of how precisely tools align with the questions a business needs to answer. We can scale that alignment principle to a massive enterprise level, like a big box retail chain monitoring competitors across thousands of locations. At this scale, tracking individual metrics requires a central digital database. This acts as a highly organized filing cabinet capable of storing billions of varied data points from web scrapers, customer mobile apps, and retail locations. To keep that database from becoming a digital junkyard, the enterprise relies on ETL pipelines. ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. It's the digital plumbing that pulls raw data, transforms it into a clean format, and loads it into the system. Processing this volume of stored data requires enterprise cloud platforms like Amazon Redshift or Google BigQuery, operating across global networks simultaneously. Within these vast cloud-hosted datasets, modern generative AI tools scan continuously. They identify hidden competitive trends, such as a sudden regional spike in competitor pricing that human analysts might miss in the noise. But executives cannot read millions of lines of raw AI output. Visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI are mandatory to format those complex findings into visual dashboards that leadership can instantly understand. This illustrates the end-to-end transformation. What begins as an incomprehensible stream of raw receipt data flows through the ETL pipeline and visualization software to become a clean, objective pricing trendline. This visibility empowers stakeholders to bypass the guesswork. They can confidently make high-stakes operational changes, like adjusting national inventory or quickly dropping prices, before their competitors can even react. Without context, raw data has an intrinsic limitation. A spreadsheet only dictates what the numbers are. It can never tell you what those numbers mean. The true purpose of deploying data collection and visualization tools is entirely strategic. They exist to reveal what a business should do next based on historical evidence. That leads to a fundamental rule of software selection. The most effective tool is rarely the most expensive one. It is simply the one most precisely aligned to a specific operational decision. Leaders must define the exact business insight they need, whether it is tracking customer retention or measuring supply chain delays, before they ever evaluate a software vendor's capabilities. Data tools aren't just software, they are human enablement devices. When chosen correctly, they turn historical numbers into a framework for future action.